Hey everyone, and welcome back. I want to start today with a question for you. Have you ever felt like your body just isn't keeping up? Maybe you're a little more tired than you used to be, or you notice your joints are a little creaky when you get out of bed. Perhaps you've just felt that a little bit of your spark, your energy has faded over the years. Sound familiar? I get it. Many of us, especially once we hit our 50s and 60s, start to feel like things are slowly but surely breaking down. It's easy to just accept this as a normal part of getting older, but what if I told you that your body has a built-in, amazing, natural process to clean out the old and damaged parts of your cells so you can feel more energetic, think more clearly, and even slow down some of the things we often think of as just getting old? Well, it does, and today we're going to talk about it. This video is all about something called autophagy. Don't worry, it's a big, fancy-sounding word, but the idea behind it is incredibly simple and powerful. Think of it as your body's self-cleaning cycle. It's like a spring cleaning for your cells, getting rid of all the junk and debris that can build up over time. And the best part? It's a natural process that you can support and activate with a few simple, everyday habits. You don't need expensive pills or complicated treatments. You just need to understand how your body works. Now, before we get started, I want to be clear. I'm not a medical doctor. I'm just like you, someone who's passionate about feeling their best as they get older. The information I'm sharing today is based on the work of functional health experts like Dr. Mindy Pelz, who's a best-selling author and a leader in this field. It's all about empowering you to feel in control of your health. So, let's dive in. What exactly is autophagy? Let's break it down in a way that makes sense. The word autophagy comes from two Greek words, auto, meaning self, and phagy, meaning to eat. So literally, it means self-eating. But don't let that weird you out. It's not a bad thing. It's a brilliant thing. Think of your cells like a tiny neighborhood of houses. Over time, these houses can accumulate old damaged furniture, appliances that are a little rusty, or just general clutter. If that clutter isn't removed, the houses start to get run down. The same thing happens inside ourselves. We have old, damaged proteins, bits of cellular waste, and even what some people call zombie cells that are no longer working correctly. If these things aren't cleared out, they can contribute to inflammation, accelerate aging, and even make us more susceptible to chronic diseases. Autophagy is the process where your cells go in, find all that old, damaged junk, and basically eat it up. They break it down and recycle the healthy parts to build new, better, stronger cells. It's a complete internal recycling program. When this process is working well, your body is essentially regenerating and renewing itself on a cellular level. It's how your body stays strong, resilient, and young. So, how do we get this amazing self-cleaning process to kick in? Tip number 1. The power of a daily reset with intermittent fasting. The number one way to activate autophagy is by giving your body a break from eating. This is the core principle of intermittent fasting. Now, don't let the word fasting scare you. We're not talking about going days without food. We're talking about simply extending the natural period you already go without food every night while you sleep. Here's the science in a nutshell. When you're constantly eating, especially foods high in sugar and carbs, your body is focused on processing that food for energy. Your blood sugar is up and your cells are busy. But when you stop eating for a period of time, your blood sugar drops and your body flips a switch. It goes from a feeding state to a fasting state. And in this fasted state, it turns its attention to cellular repair and cleanup. It's like the moment the dinner party ends and you can finally start cleaning up the house. So what's a good place to start? Most people are already fasting for about 8 hours while they sleep. The sweet spot for starting to activate autophagy is around 17 hours of fasting. Now, that might sound like a long time, but it's much easier than you think. A great way to start is by trying a 16-8 schedule, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour window to eat. For example, if you finish dinner at 7 p.m., you wouldn't eat again until 11 a.m. the next day. That's it. It's that simple. And many people find that a little black coffee or green tea can make the morning fast a breeze. This is a manageable, gentle way to introduce the benefits of fasting into your life. You're not dramatically changing your diet, you're just changing when you eat. You'll notice benefits even before you hit that 17-hour mark. At around 12 hours, your body starts to produce something called ketones that give your brain a clean, focused energy boost. Many people report a new sense of mental clarity. At 13 hours, your growth hormone starts to rise, which is a powerful hormone for maintaining muscle and burning fat. At 15 hours, that growth hormone really kicks in, helping you feel more youthful and lean. And then at 17 hours, you've hit the sweet spot where autophagy begins to really get to work. So if you're just starting, don't worry about hitting 17 hours right away. Start with a 12 or 13-hour fast and see how you feel. The goal is progress, not perfection. Tip number 2, don't forget to break your fast with the right foods. This is a crucial point. When you've been fasting, your body is in a sensitive state, ready to absorb nutrients. How you break your fast is just as important as the fast itself. The wrong foods can cause a blood sugar spike, undoing a lot of the cellular repair work you just accomplished. Dr. Mindy Pelz and other experts recommend breaking your fast with healthy fats and probiotics. Why? Fats are very satiating and don't cause a blood sugar spike. They signal to your brain that you've eaten, shutting off the hunger hormones and helping you feel full. Foods like avocado, olive oil, and nuts are perfect for this. Probiotics are those good bacteria that live in your gut. They're essential for digestion, mood, and even weight management. When you break your fast with them, you're essentially replenishing and feeding your gut with the good stuff. Probiotic-rich foods include sauerkraut, kimchi, and plain yogurt. So a simple, delicious way to break your fast could be half an avocado with a scoop of kimchi or sauerkraut on top. This one small meal delivers powerful benefits and sets your body up for success for the rest of the day. And here's a neat trick. If you eat a little bit of fat first and then wait an hour before eating anything else, you might find that your cravings for less healthy foods are completely gone. That immediate desire to boomerang back to your old eating habits disappears. Tip number 3, drink up. The best beverages for autophagy. Fasting doesn't mean you can't have anything at all. In fact, what you drink during your fasting window can actually enhance the process and make it easier. 2 of the best drinks you can have are black coffee and green tea. Black coffee, it's not just a morning ritual. Studies have shown that coffee, in its black form, can stimulate autophagy in your liver, heart, and muscle tissue. The key here is to keep it black. Adding a little MCT oil can even help your body get into a fat-burning state faster. But once you start adding cream, milk, or sugar, you're introducing calories and signaling to your body to switch out of the fasting state. So for your fasting window, keep it black. And to avoid pesticides and mold, try to choose an organic mold-free coffee if you can. Green tea. This is a fantastic alternative if coffee makes you too jittery or you just want something different. Green tea is a health food superstar. The compounds in green tea have been shown to be universal stimulators of autophagy, meaning they can trigger this cellular cleanup in just about any cell they're exposed to. Plus, it's a great source of antioxidants. And another great option is a tea called bergamot tea. Research has shown that bergamot oil can stimulate autophagy, particularly in nerve tissue. It's a wonderful, calming choice that also has powerful health benefits. So when you're in your fasting window, remember you have delicious, beneficial options to sip on. Tip number 4, the miracle of a 24-hour reset. While daily intermittent fasting is a great habit, occasionally going a little longer can have even more profound effects. Many people find a lot of benefit from a 24-hour fast once a week. This means you eat dinner one night, skip all meals the next day, and then have breakfast the following morning. It's a simple 1 meal a day for that day. At around 24 hours, something incredible happens. Your gut gets a complete reset. Your body starts producing intestinal stem cells that come in and repair the entire inner lining of your gut. This is huge for your overall health, as a healthy gut is linked to everything from a strong immune system to a better mood. And this isn't something you need to do every day. Once a week is enough to get these amazing benefits. It's a powerful tool to add to your health toolkit, especially if you're looking to improve your digestion and support your immune system. Tip number 5, your new best friends, turmeric, olive oil, and cacao. Beyond just the timing of your meals, what you put on your plate matters. There are certain foods that can actively help boost autophagy and fight inflammation. Let's talk about 3 of my favorites. Olive oil. This isn't just for cooking, it's a powerful health food in its own right. Research is showing that olive oil can have a positive effect on the proteins associated with Alzheimer's disease. It's also being studied for its anti-cancer properties. But here's the key. You must use it correctly. Use extra virgin olive oil and never heat it to the point where it smokes, as this turns it into an inflammatory fat. The best way to use it is in salad dressings, drizzled over vegetables, or even just taking a tablespoon a day, just like a supplement. Cacao. Yes, that's right, chocolate, but not the sugary milk chocolate bars. We're talking about pure, raw cacao, which is the key ingredient. Studies have shown that the compounds in cacao can stimulate autophagy in liver cells. You want to look for dark chocolate with a very high cacao percentage, 85% or more, or use cacao powder in a smoothie or a drink.
It's a delicious way to support your cells. Curcumin. This is the active, magical component of turmeric. Turmeric is a beautiful yellow spice found in a lot of curries. Curcumin is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation and stimulating autophagy. It has been shown to increase autophagy in pancreatic cells and can even inhibit the proliferation of certain diseases. A great tip is to combine turmeric with black pepper. The pepper contains a compound called piperine, which dramatically increases the absorption of curcumin, helping it get to work inside your cells. A long-term game plan for health. So, what's the takeaway from all this? The most important message is this: your body is a self-healing organism. You have a powerful natural system for renewal and repair. You are in control. You can use these simple strategies as a long-term game plan for your health. Start with a manageable daily fast like the 16.8 method. Break that fast with healthy fats and probiotics. Enjoy black coffee and green tea in your fasting window. Consider a 24-hour fast once a week for a deeper reset. Incorporate powerful foods like olive oil, cacao, and turmeric into your diet. These aren't drastic changes. They're small, intentional choices that can add up to a huge difference in how you feel. More energetic, more focused, and more vibrant. This is your door out of the cycle of feeling run down. It's about empowering your body to do what it's naturally designed to do: heal itself. This isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself. It's about building a better you, one small, intentional step at a time. And if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who might need to hear this. Let's spread this message of hope and empowerment together. I'll see you in the next video.